welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So for Christmas, my husband bought me this, and we've done it in years past, so I'm excited to do it again. So it is the Date, make sure I got Date Box Club. So there's a lot of different subscription boxes out there, but this one is specifically for date night because we don't have a regular babysitter, so it's nice to put the kids to bed and have our own date night at home. So he got me a 3-month pack or whatever, so I'm going to show you what's inside this month's box. This comes with a little envelope explaining the date. So it says, this month we are celebrating date night in 2 ways. First, with an amazing game. And secondly, we want you to jump into the season of gratitude. So shows you everything that's in here. So it's kind of fun. There's usually a little snack. I can't remember. This one's got like a, yep, they always have a Spotify playlist, so you can play some music while you were having your date night at home. So we have cross clues. Cooperate to connect the clues. So it says, work together to fill in the grid by giving single word clues that represent the intersection of 2 code words. So never played this game before, but we do love playing games, so I'm sure this will be a lot of fun. And then our little snack that we have, toasted corn nuts. Not a huge corn nut fan, but I'm always willing to give it a try. Let's see. And then we have the Groovy deck. Says, interesting questions for couples, sometimes silly, occasionally deep, always fun. So I don't know what that's going to entail, but it's always fun to try something different. Oh, steamy deck and winner's tokens. Not sure what that is. And then we have a soy wax premium scented candle. So it says lemongrass. Smells like lemongrass. I haven't bought candles in a long time since I use my essential oils instead, but it's nice to have a candle to go with it. So on the back, it kind of gives you step by step what to do, get the playlist going, start with the Groovy Conversations game, and then the other game, and then you can enjoy the snack with it. So that is my unboxing of our first Date Box Club. Yep, I got that right. So if you are looking to find a date night idea at home, I think I don't know 100% on the prices, but I can put the website in the description so that way you can check it out, because we started doing it the beginning of 2020 when things were kind of shut down, and we obviously don't have a regular babysitter, so it's always fun to get a new date night idea each month. So next month I will share our next date night box. But thank you for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you want to see what our next date night box is. I'll see you next time.